Heart Energy Manifesting Ritual.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert Zink and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast, I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert Zink. And today, it's glorious. We are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams, your goals, and your heart. Today I'm sharing with you the Heart Energy Manifesting Ritual. Now, there's a longer version, an elongated version, and a much deeper version that we use in miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. But this is very powerful all by itself, and I urge you to invest in it. Give it a try. Put some time into it. Don't rush it. Make it special. Okay, so for your heart energy manifesting ritual, I like a nice quiet place. I like the televisions turned off, the computers, the phones, anything that's electronic, let's just turn it off. Let's close the curtains and make sure there's just no noise anywhere. And if there is a little noise, it's not electronic noise, okay? And then find a comfortable chair. Now, when I do this, I always have a beautiful pink candle burning because the candle is symbolic of my heart, the love that comes from my heart. It's not the color of the heart chakra, but it is the color of the vibrational energy that comes from your heart. You don't need the candle, by the way. Not necessary. But if you want to use it, it's a good idea. Connect with what you love about your intention. Just relax. Keep your eyes closed. But right now, of course, you're taking notes, hopefully, so that you can perform this. So the first step is to just connect with what you love about your intentions. What do you love about your intention to have a beautiful family with children? What do you love about your intention to revitalize your marriage and make it unique and special? What do you absolutely love about being in business for yourself? What do you love about the vibration of money? What do you love about having more vitality, better health, a better lifestyle? Focus on that. And I'm not talking about your ego. I'm talking about your heart. I'm talking about focusing on your heart. What do you really love about your intention? Now, fill your energy field and your heart and your mind with gratitude and love. And be grateful for everything that is currently manifesting. My broken relationship is manifesting into a beautiful love affair again. My crumbling, struggling business is manifesting into a thriving business that's earning piles of money. Just visualize it. I'm grateful for the new home that we are moving into. It's bigger. It's more spacious. It's in a better location. I'm grateful for my children and all the good things that they bring into my life. I'm grateful for my health. Now, even if you don't have good health, be grateful for it right now in this exercise. In other words, this is a present tense. You may not have moved into a new house. Your business still may be crumbling literally at this time. Your career may not be going as you had planned, but you need to be grateful for it as if it had already manifested. That's the key. And this is, you're focusing on your heart and on this deep connection with source energy, which is the next step. You connect to universal love. It's not It's not the kind of love that says, I want that person, I love that person. It's, I love being alive. I love that I am here with a purpose. I love humanity. I love our planet. I love the trees. I love the animals. I even love the people that do ill to me, because I understand that at some level we're brothers and sisters. It's universal love. And so you connect to universal love, and as you are connecting to universal love, you say the following. And I give you 3 different variations here, but you can create your own. I deeply feel God's love for me. I deeply feel God's love for me. I deeply feel Source Energy's love for me. I deeply feel Source Energy's love for me. I deeply feel the universe's love for me. I deeply feel the universe's love for me. So you can use Source, God, the universe, Jesus, whatever works for you. It's all fine. It's all good. But I want you to connect to that universal love for you. I want you to connect to that spiritual source love that is pouring into you right now. Now breathe deep and feel it come into you. And spend a moment just basking in this beautiful sense of love. And say the following. I love the universe. And I deeply love all my dreams, intentions, and goals. I love the universe. And I deeply love all my dreams, intentions, and goals. Really connect with this portion of it, because this is where your dreams and your goals and your desires are interwoven with the universal love and your heart center. It's all connecting right now. At this point, feel energized with love. It's love for life. It's love for family. It's love for the universe. It's love for existence. It's love for your dreams. It's love for your goals. It's love that you have another day. Connect with it. Open your heart to it. Fill your heart completely and allow your manifested intention, your manifested, did you hear what I said? Not want, not desire, your manifested intention. Allow it to live inside your heart. In other words, visualize it. If your manifested intention is, say, a new car, your heart is wide open, you're connected to universal love, and now feel that new car, if that's your intention, coming inside your heart. If your relationship is suffering and you're working to make it better, feel a happy, loving, joyful relationship coming inside your heart. If you're looking to double, triple your income, feel that increased income coming inside your heart. Literally pull it into your heart center. I know it sounds crazy, but this is important because you want to have that love and your heart center and your intention all combined in one. That's the key. That is the secret. And now say these words. I am love. I love my intentions. And then repeat your intentions. Now, throughout the day, I want you to consciously hold on to your heart. You can just touch your chest for a moment. Consciously hold on to your heart energy and those beautiful intentions that are now living in your heart, that have been empowered by your connection to universal source energy or God. Connect. And throughout the day, I like to just touch my chest. I just lightly touch my chest. And I feel my intentions that I have brought inside my heart, living, alive, and manifesting. Finally, throughout the day, express this love to friends, family, strangers. In other words, allow the love that you have pulled in from the universe to flow through you, flow through your heart. Do this exercise every day. You can do it for 7 days. You can do it for 2 weeks. I like 14 days. Do it for 14 days. I'm absolutely certain you're going to be shocked and amazed at what happens when you take your desires and you turn them into intentions and you put them inside your heart. You open your heart to the universe and then put them inside your heart. And then throughout the day, remind yourself, feel that love. This is going to be a life changer for some of you. I know that. And please, by all means, send me letters after you have done this special heart meditation, this ritual. Send me letters because I want to share them with others. I want to put them on my website. I'm expecting some huge manifestation over the next month because so many of you, I believe, will be practicing the heart energy manifesting ritual. Now, what I would do is go through this podcast again, listen to it 2 or 3 times and take some notes and kind of walk through it in your mind so you understand exactly what you're doing. It's pretty simple, but there's a couple places where I want you saying specific things. You can write them down on 3x5 cards, walk through it, and then perform it. I'm excited for you. I'm just feeling goosebumps right now all over the place. I'm just soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle because I'm excited for you. This heart energy manifesting ritual is powerful. And because we love, because we are here to love, let's share it with as many people as we can. The more people performing it, I think the better. Okay, I'm out of time. Be sure and visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. And I want to remind you that at any time, you can get our book, Law of Attraction Secrets, on Amazon. It's a great book filled with law of attraction ideas and secrets that are not available anywhere else. Okay? You have a heart-filled day, a loving day, because you deserve it. Bye-bye.
There is one difference between peak performers and those who just settle for seconds, thirds, or worse. This one difference is the edge between those who attract the life they desire and those who struggle and never seem to obtain what they desire. The difference is confidence. Now you can unlock the door to a life of confidence, power, and magnetism. You can obtain a promotion, talk to anyone anywhere, make more money, be a compelling public speaker, meet and attract the opposite sex, build your own company, enjoy the popularity you deserve. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com and download your copy of the first new audio program release of 2016 from Robert Zink. Empower yourself with a life-changing program, Building Confidence, Personal Power, and Magnetism by Robert Zink. In this program, you will experience 24 confidence-building techniques, the Miracle Hypnotic Confidence Accelerator, and the 2-minute daily confidence claiming exercise. Get your instantly downloadable copy of the audio program, Building Confidence, Personal Power, and Magnetism, now at www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.